To be, êTRE. So we're working with the verb êTRE in French. In our previous two lessons, we learned how to say I am, je suis, you are, tu es. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to say he is. So he is, il est, il est. He is, il est. He is, il est. Notice we're not pronouncing the consonants at the end of the verb form here. Il est, il est. He is, il est. Okay, so let's review and apply what you've learned. To be, êTRE, he is, il est. Nice, sympa, pleasant, agréable, funny, drôle, optimistic, optimiste, pessimistic, pessimiste. So if you want to say he is nice, you will say il est sympa. He's pleasant. Il est agréable. He's funny. Il est drôle. He's optimistic. Il est optimiste. He's pessimistic. Il est pessimiste. Remember that most adjectives in French will have a masculine and a feminine form in the singular. So if you say il est, il is masculine. It's grammatically masculine and also biologically masculine. So if the subject is grammatically masculine, then you have to use the masculine form of the noun. So if you want to say he is fun, you would say il est amusant. And there's liaison. You hear the T because a vowel follows. So il est amusant, il est amusant. If you want to say he's brilliant, il est brillant. He's tired, il est fatigué. You can't use the feminine forms because the subject is masculine. So that's why I've placed the X over those. Okay, well that's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.